tayo ngayon. Inaantay lang natin yung landlord na yun. Basta, nagrenta tayo ng hostel eh. Dito sa may Dubai Mall malapit. Kaya ayun, di Dubai ang Burj Khalifa. Ay shit. Yeah. Trade check tayo mamaya. Naka-braids ako ngayon eh. Naka-cornrows ako ngayon. Panis. Medyo nakakailang din pala mag-video na naka-cellphone eh. Nung laki kasi. Pero yeah, kailangan natin panindigan to cause. Pero gamitin parang natin yung camera mamaya. Hintayin ko lang. Ilapag lang natin tong gamit natin. Diba maliit eh. Paglapag natin yan, punta na tayo ng Seoul DXB. Kaya suot natin ngayon. Basic lang. Itong house natin for 2 nights. At yeah, baba na tayo. Punta na tayong Seoul DXB Takits. Okay, kakalabas lang natin. Night sheet. Ganda dito kasi. Sana ganito din sa ano, sa Sharjah no. Yo, pang. So, kailangan natin mag-book ng taxi ata bago tayo makapunta doon. Nakakailang nga itong malaking cellphone. Kim. I guess nandito na tayo. So we got in at napasok ko yung GoPro. Kala ko bawal eh. Pero yeah. Sabi natin food trip muna. So kumain sa Kuya, di pa ako nakakain doon. Tsaka idol ko yung Chef JP. Sana makita natin siya doon. Yo, pasalamat sila, naka-get up ako, hindi. Tinanis ko na yan. Diyan yan kuya. Parang gusto ko yung wings kaya. Wings na lang. Wings na ano. Oh.
Pinikain natin na meron tayo. Tostado with rice, sisig bowl, tostado bowl.
Merch ni Kuya. Yo, kain tayo sa resto ni Chef JP, no? Sabi nandito daw siya, sana makita ko siya, no? Para mapagpa-picture.
How you doing, man?
Tol! Basta, kayo pala ano, no?
Sa 3 piece.
With me? Sarap po there.
Chili oil dealer, ha?
The brand is called Bala Spices. It's all made locally sourced ingredients.
Where are you from?
I'm from England. I'm Indian, Punjabi. Do your thing, man. Only 4 ingredients. Mixed chilies, olive oil, garlic, and soy sauce, gluten-free soy sauce.
Have it on rice, have it with noodles, have it with eggs, on salads. I have it with fish. It's very, very good. Once the oil starts to run low, you can always add more olive oil yourself.
What is that made of? Olive oil?
Olive oil. So it does, and it goes with everything, bro. It goes literally with everything. 50 dirhams covers the delivery.
80 dirhams,
Yeah.
220 grams.
Yeah.
Thank you po, kuya. Medyo matagal ko nang gusto food tripin to eh. Kaso medyo malayo sa akin kaya let's check it out. In-order ko inasal kasi parang ito yung last na napanood ko kay Chef. Gumagawa siya ng inasal, so tikman natin siya pa. Toyo mansi. Walang ng toyo mansi para sa akin pero masarap. Try natin makaingin ng toyo mansi, no? Shit, nakita ko yung Chef JP. Shit! Nagawa to. Galing ba yan? Thank you, ma'am. Chef JP. Tapos lang natin kumain doon sa Kuya. Restaurant ni Chef JP. Tapos na-meet pa natin siya, no? Crazy. Kaya sarap din ng food nila, no? Inasal wings, tapos merong inasal wings, tsaka tangin na kasi dami natingin sa akin, hiya ako eh. Di ako sanay na malaki kasi yung camera, di ba? Eh, inasal wings with rice. Ito yata yung main stage. Ayan ang puta, pwede malapit. Di na kailangan mag-stage front pala, no? Basta maaga ka pupunta. Ito yung main stage, di ba? Dito, heb-abihan dito bukas. Kailangan maaga-aga pala. Pucha, malapit lang. Pwede yung marap po, pucha. Ayan lang yung stage cast. Pero sana kung stage front dito, mong stage front. Ayan ang stage front. Mismo talagang harap. Pero obra na, di ba? Di naman ganun kalayo. Ayun dito ako pwesto. Tapos ayaw na kita makawala. Lahat ng mga hinahanap ko sa'yo diba, panis? Stage front, tapos tapos VIP type shit. Nandun sa taas. Ganda, Dubai, Yo, di ko napansin na 10% na lang pala itong camera ko, ay yung phone. So, kailangan natin mag-charge. At mag-switch tayo sa GoPro. What do you mean you take photos? You took all of this? You guys?
Yeah, some of these are from Seoul, actually, like Ghostface Killer, Busta, Mos Def, Lupe.
Damn, Sea Breezy.
Yeah, so a lot of these are like UK festivals, like Wild
Oh,
and shit like that. So we do
You guys from UK?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
from Birmingham.
What is the brand name again?
NCAP, see up there. Yeah, and then there's some back up as
NCAP from UK. Okay.
Yeah.
Bro, thank you so much.
What was your name again, my bro?
Kim.
Kim.
Yes, Kim.
Nice to meet
Nice to
you,
meet you.
man.
See you around. So that's end cap.
Scan mo lang. Yung QR code nila.
Kung ba nang ina mo, chance na rapper.
Mostly vintage. Say again? Mostly vintage.
Vintage yan. Nag-iisa lang yan.
Bangis nga eh. Magkano yung mga ganyan?
400.
400. Ganda oh yan. May yung ano pa, zip pa.
may
Oh,
zipper
tang
yan.
ina. MK Vintage. Thank you kuya. Travis Scott. Pang mga Travis Scott to. 20 pips. Hello. Like your hat.
Oh, thank you very much. I like your style.
Thank you.
Are you performing?
Nah.
You look like a performer.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
So there's football stars, legends, so football, rugby.
They like to create lightweight at the same time
So,
keeping a shape.
what,
Texture.
how do you pronounce this?
Kango.
Kango.
It's very interesting. So it was created in more than 85 years ago, 86 now. And K is for knitting, then Ang is for Angora, it's kind of a wool. And OL is also for wool, and it became a Kango. And later they chose the kangaroo logo because people were asking, because it's a Kangol, and they connected it to kangaroo, and they just got it as a logo.
So it doesn't connect at all.
It's like people helped to get the right logo. So yeah. So this one says bigger.
Maybe it doesn't fit because I have braids. You have a store here in UAE?
Not just
Thank you so much again. Appreciate it. Have a great night. Ang good din oh. Hindi pala nakita. Sino yan? Sino yan? Oh. Shit. What is this?
Jasmine tea.
Jasmine.
Enjoy.
Thank you so much.
Escaping into this shape. Looking at my Gucci face about all time. Looking at people's on the internet outside. Not like my 93 street code now. Push the imagination, like one soul. Master like big when the long beat flow. I ain't this slow. Used to do the beat after midnights on the weekend. Oh, you remember we 3D was that big. Now
So
rap music, bro?
Yeah.
Do you know the Wu-Tang Clan?
OGs.
Yes, bro. OG, these guys are like, you know, years back.
Pioneers, right?
Yes, bro, definitely.
They're the Castros, everything around me.
Yes, bro. Yeah,
Cream.
you know them, bro. Method
Of
Man,
course,
RZA.
they're familiar, of course.
Yeah, yeah.
They're OG.
So Park Hill's where they're from.
Oh, okay. Park Hill.
So the same manager from like day one.
Alright, bro. Thank you so much.
Alright, thank you, my
Appreciate it.
brother. Nice to meet you, bro. I like the outfit, bro.
Thank you. Appreciate it. So this is Park Hill from New York, made by Wu-Tang. Hello. Jaker.
Black coffee, I can make for you an Americano or long black.
Let's do Americano.
Americano. Ice or hot?
Ice.
Ice. Let's do this.
Paano yung store niya, ate?
Ha?
Store? Anong pangalan nito?
Hotel kami. 25 hours.
Hotel kayo.
World Trade Center.
Side. Visit. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you po.
There's no other basketball court, right?
Yeah, this is the only one.
It's the only one,
As
right?
far as I know, bro.
Thank you.
Putang ina man. Recording na. Then, alright? Yo, medyo nalalamigan yung ulo ko dito tsaka parang last ang dating ko pag nakalabas yung braids ko eh. Kahit mukhang burat. So tatakpan muna natin ulit siya ng ano, if you know, you know. Yung drop beer. Yung drop beer may amat. At kung i-check natin yung oras ngayon. Ayan pa lang yung oras pare, ikaw na bahala bumasa. Papagbasahin mo pa ako eh. Putang ina, nahihilo na nga ako eh. Tangina may. Sabi ni ate lahat daw ng camera nila dito gumagana pa. Kaya testing natin ito. Price, $7.99. Ang ina nung biglang bumigat na nakita ko yung presyo. Angas o kuha, montang oh. Pero angas na i-front back talaga. Hindi ko mag-selfie dati oh. Mag-selfie. Sobrang crazy. Naalala ko si mama ko. Mama ko nanonood chat. Alam ko paborito mahilig ka sa mga digicam. Kaya ikaw lagi ko naalala pag may digicam. Siguro doon ko nakuha yung pagkakamera ko, no? Si mama ko lagi may ganyan eh. May mga kaya marami kami picture ng bata. Dahil mahilig siya sa digicam. Napabili niya kay papa ko. Ito sobrang crazy. Oh, sobrang crazy magkano. Nakatakot hawakan mo eh. Bro, magkano yung ganyan?
Dito gumagana ko.
Di ko.
Lang.
It's fun.
Pero ang ganda nga.
Pero nakakatakot nga hawakan, kala ko ano eh.
Luma na siya.
Hindi naman pala gumagana, okay lang.
Hindi, pero inayos namin.
Okay.
Sige lang.
Ano pangalan mo bro?
Chuck.
Chuck.
Parang Chuck Norris.
Chuck. Okay, Chuck. Nice. Si Chuck ng Retropia. Damn, sobrang cool ng ano nila. Grabe, 60.
Kasi ng camera. So yun, nilalabas ko sila. Mag-save kami ng mga tropa. Tapos kaparita namin video. Hindi naman kami ganun dito. Hindi naman kami ganun katanda. Matanda pa sa akin. Pero mas sa akin. Kaya yan.
Yeah, bro, thank you. Yo, medyo nahihiya ako kasi madaming tao dito. Saka malaking camera, bagong camera yung gamit ko eh. Pero ano naman ang mga bebot naman talaga dito, nakakainis eh. Pero yun nga, may dalawang kabayan kumausap sa akin eh. Gusto ko yung vibes nila kaya pag desisyon ko, bibigyan ko sila ng t-shirt. You know what I'm saying? Yo bro.
Yeah, what's up?
I got you something. Nagbebenta kasi ako ng white tees. Tapos, dito sa Soul DXB, namimigay ako.
Okay.
Ikaw napili ka bigyan, bro.
Thank you so much, kuya. Appreciate it.
Pasensya ka na sa balot kasi dinala ko lang talaga yan.
Okay lang.
Pero you can check. Dinadala ko lang dito kasi madami nagtatanong sa akin kung ano yung suot ko na white tee.
Actually, kailangan ko din ng white tee. So,
I got you. Medyo malaki yan bro, pero kasi random dinala ko lang
Yeah,
talaga.
yeah.
Namimigay lang din ako
you
dito.
hook me up, man. Thank you so much.
Got you.
Appreciate it. This one?
Yeah, that's me. Alright, I got you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much din, kuya. Thank you. Thank you
Chuck.
for the hookup. Thank you, kuya.
Hey, just. Woo. Hey, yes. Yes, sir.
Come fall in my arms like the first time that you did when we met.
Yeah, yeah. My love will come far. Hold me and put your heart in my hand. Oh, you the truth, never seem so enough. Come pick me up, you know I'll hold ya. You be forever, then in the water. Oh baby, if you ever left me, hold in my chest. You on my hip, I'm fully blessed. You me forever, it's in the summer. I'm some food for you.
Shit, man. Johnny more time. Shit. Hello. Good evening.
Good evening.
Is this still available?
Yes.
Nice. For how much? Say hi.
Kimmy.
For real?
Bro.
Thank you. Good? Good. How are you, bro? What's your name?
Luke. Luke.
Luke. Luke. Nice meeting you, Luke.
Size medium, right? Medium.
For how much?
That's a medium. 330.
Sorry?
330.
And then she will sign it.
Yeah, tomorrow. First 100.
330.
Yeah, bro.
330 to seat him.
Bro, you'll never get this ever again, man. Bro, you'll never get it again. I swear. One time, Georgia Smith came. I saw everyone wear that shirt. I'm like, damn, I should have got him that.
He's good at sales stalling. He's good.
Talker.
He's really
No,
good.
but for real, man. Yeah. Because I've always come to Seoul every year.
Ew.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
What's it called? Kung Fu.
Oh my god, we're on
Say hi.
video.
Hey!
Here's the so then on the back it's a surface.
Shit's cool.
It's a hard purchase, eh?
Yeah. Look where you're from.
Philippines.
But this one 330. Damn. Not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. I need to think hard, man.
Don't worry, man. You got time.
Alright, thank you so much. Appreciate it. Look, thank you so much.
See you, bro.
See ya. Gang, I think I'm done here. Kailangan natin maglakad-lakad. Kasi dami pa rin pumapasok. It's 10 already. It's 10 p.m. pero may pumapasok pa rin kaya tayo uwi na tayo. Tangkin na D3 pare. D3. Oh? Shit, cuz. Parang sarap may ka-holding hands niya habang nag-aakit siya niya, no? Tangina. Ka-holding hands niya habang nag-walk trip. Walk trip muna tayo bago tayo umuwi. Namnamin natin. Ang ganda ng D3. I'm saying. Brother, can I open the window? Oh, habe. So they call this Heart of Dubai. This Heart of Dubai. Wait. Ayan lang naman yung view pag uuwi. Picture natin. Yeah, so we got home, clean ourselves. Naglinis na tayo at naghugas sa mga kailangan natin hugasan. Yung mga hindi mo hinugasan dyan, bago ka matulog, hugasan mo. Para masarap ang tulog mo. Type shit. Parang aking braids. Ganun pa din. Nagdudurag tayo. Palitan natin siya ng durag. Bago mag-sleep. You know what I'm saying? If I'm not mistaken, rags for rag storages ni Astro. Type shit. Yung rapper sa Pinas. Pero ito yung view ko. Yun lang gusto ko sabihin. Dami kong dinaldal, you know? Pero ito yung view ko ngayon bago matulog. Hindi ko alam kung nasan si Burge. Nasa likod. I think nasa likod namin. Hindi pwedeng ibaba. Hindi yung 17th floor house. Pero yan. Sobrang mura ko lang ito nakuha. Kasi hindi ka may spot ko. Yan, bed space lang yan. Pero kailangan ko lang din naman na matutulugan dito. Kailangan mo paglalapagan ng gamit dahil 2 days nga. Mas marami akong dala. Diretso akong Abu Dhabi. So, this is not bad. This is really good offer though. Yeah, I'm kinda tired sa paglalakad. Sa pag-testing ng bago nating camera. But yeah, kaya nagustuhan mo ang day 1 at yun ang day 1. At ang agenda ko ngayon, mag-edit. Magdamag hanggang gabi para mapapanood mo to agad. Wala pang 24 oras. Sige, sino gumagawa nun? Sige nga. Joke lang. Yabang. Humble lang dapat. Yan. Nakikita mo oras 11 of 7 Friday. Oh, Friday the 13th pala ngayon. Pero ang ganda yung mga nangyari. Yeah. Siguro doon ka na napusin ko, Cubs. Kahit sa ulit, Hasbo. Hindi, kahit ako muna sa inyo yung durag. Yeah, ganito ka lang suotin yung durag ko. Dito ako komportable kaya ito ng mga elak. Good night, tights. At yun ang day 1 ng Seoul DXP 2024.